One misty morning early, I overheard a fair pretty maid was lamenting for their Geordie. Oh, my Geordie never heard no cow nor calf, he never hearted any. So 6 is round the king's royal deer, and he sold them in Bohemia. Go brightly be my milk white steed, go brightly me my pony, I will ride to London's court to greet the life of my Geordie. Two pretty babies I have born, the third lies in my body, I feed the part to them every one.